All right, welcome back to the tutorial, guys. So in this one, we are going to look at the push array method. Okay, so basically what the push array method adds a new item to an existing array and returns the new length. So this is an array of fruits. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come down and say fruits dot push, and then inside of the parentheses I'll then say pineapple. So okay, and I'll just come down here and I would console.log fruits, and I'll save and let's run this. Okay, so you see here that we have so this should actually be pineapple. So let me run that one more time. So you see here we have banana, orange, apple, mango, and then we have the pineapple. So you see that it adds the new element to the end of the array. Okay, so that's basically how the push array method works. Okay, so in the next one we are going to look at the opposite of the push array method, which is an array method that will add an element to the beginning of the array element. Okay, so that's what we're going to see in the next one. Okay, so but there's one more thing I probably should talk about, and let me just show you instead. So I'll just say const, and I'm just going to say add fruit, and I'll set it to be equal to fruits dot blah blah blah. So okay, so I want this to be add fruits. So if I come down here and I console.log log add fruit, so what do you think would happen here? So let me clear the terminal. So I'll save this and I'll run it. So you see the first one, console.log fruit, returns the array, and the second one, which is add fruits, returns the array length. Okay, so this is 0 1 2 3 oh sorry, this is 1 2 3 4 5 array dot length. Okay, so basically that's what I just wanted you to note from this. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.